Hello everyone, welcome to Train, where we make AI simple for you. My name is Kieran and I'll be your instructor for today. In today's episode, we're going to give you a map of how you can make your own free faceless social media post and possibly make money while you sleep without anyone knowing who you are. A lot of content creators have been doing this to earn money, so we thought it would be a great idea to bring it to you in 3 simple steps. Let's get right into it. The first step is go to ChatGPT or any chatbot you prefer. For the sake of this example, we're going to use ChatGPT. Let's say we want our theme to be a motivational Instagram account. We will prompt the chatbot to create a script for a 30-second Instagram reel on motivation and becoming wealthy. Okay, perfect. So we have the script for our video. Now we will go ahead and copy this. The second step is going to ai.invideo, where you can create a free account with your email. This is the page you will see once you have logged in. And we're going to go ahead and paste the script we made in ChatGPT into this chatbot. InVideo will then give us some options here for audience, look and feel, and platform. Once you make those selections, we will now press continue and let the chatbot create the video. Now the video is done, our last step is to review it and change anything you would like to fit your preferences. Then we can save the video and post on Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. We recommend going back to ChatGPT and asking for some good hashtags and a caption to streamline the whole process of making a bunch of faceless content. This business model has seen an insane rise this past year, but it can be extremely profitable if done correctly. We recommend giving it a try if you've been wondering how you can make money from social media without showing your face. We hope you found this video helpful, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and see you next time.